The first video covered the discovery stage. The purpose is to understand key aspects that students are most concerned about their campus life. In other words, we want to know what are some places most students would choose to spend their time while at campus. This stage covers three steps: data collection, data process, and data usage. We have two recommended methods for collecting data: secondary research and direct observation. For data process, we look to identify the frequently mentioned areas. And last, for usage, it will help us to design customer personas for the defined stage. This slide is more about data collection. The first method is secondary research. You can find lots of available information online in regard to student review and feedback about how to improve the quality of their campus living. For example, one online article indicates the four areas that can improve campus life: good sports service, quality dining facilities, consistent Wi-Fi service, and gym access. Secondly, the next method is direct observations. We try to identify the key areas and the facility where majority students stay during off hours. It's very simple and effective. The research team can just walk around the campus during off hours and observation those places most students choose to stay, such as cafeteria, library, residence, or gym. And also, here we proposed another option, which is design a survey and send out to on-campus students. Usually, the service will combine with more in-depth questions. We will cover more details in stage 2. Once we have the data processed, it will combine all the data either from secondary research or from observations. Then, we identify the most impactful result. Our metrics is based on the areas where highest volume. As a result, the top three places are cafeteria, gym, and library. We will use three places as a key feature to design our custom personas. The last step is data usage. Customer persona can identify a specific group's performance, behavior, and needs. So we want to design three personas based on the three places. This will be useful for our survey or interview process for stage 2. Here are three types of personas we designed based on the collected data. We are identified cafeteria, library, and gym are the top three areas. We have the first character, Alex. The student would be living on their own, do not know how to cook, so oftentimes they would choose to have their meals at cafeteria. Next one, Karina, represent the student who will prefer spend most time in the library to study on their own or in groups. Last, Noah could be semi-professional athletes or students who are energetic. It would spend break time at gyms and demanded a various select of the fitness equipment. So our customer persona will helpful for next stage while we design a survey. This is the end of stage 1.